What's going on YouTube? This is your boy DeVintage, back at it with another video, man. Today I twisted up, did a little vlog with a discussion at the end of the video, and I got a couple of pickups that I want to show y'all. I kind of started the vlog off at a random point, so I just wanted to give y'all like a little heads up. The vlog starts off kind of weird, but I hope y'all enjoy it. Before we get into it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. The goal is 15,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Y'all help me out, support your boy, share the videos, like the videos, hit the notification bell for your boy, and follow me over on Instagram at DeVintage World. The links will be in the description box below. And take advantage of the giveaway. And yeah, let's jump right into this vlog. Let's get it. Oh yeah, Media Mart right now. I know it's kind of random. I start the vlog off like this. Oh shit, almost fell. But we about to check and see for Canon G7X Mark II, and we're gonna check out, see if we got some new mics, because my audio is trash. Yeah. It's like a little glare on here. Got the Canons over here. I bet you they got it. What's this? G3X. Ooh, that's better than G7X.
No, this is old.
It's new.
This is bigger too, heavier.
Yeah. So I'm looking for something like this, but I want the Mark II. Gotta take the cap off. It's gonna turn on.
I don't know what that means, so
Hit the record button. Oh, that's bad quality. Check it out. Maybe you guys mess with the settings or something?
maybe. And this don't, what is this for?
I don't know.
Nah, you need a G7X.
Yeah. So that must be older. Why is it? It's more expensive though. Why is it more expensive than the G7? That's like 800 something US dollars.
Yeah, no, not doing that.
Okay. G3. Why would it go back? So that gotta go. Oh, we go over here.
Yeah.
Breaking
It's
stuff.
like it's like a what's it called? Like it zoom in and out, right?
They got more over here. They got some lenses too. Hey, this is the camera everybody else got too. Oh, right here. It's got to be down here somewhere. We got the Canon EOS. And they have, I've never seen that one before. They got a lot of lenses.
Oh, right here.
Ooh, 5.4. This is cheaper.
US dollars, but
I know, dude. I'm gonna do the converter. I'm gonna let y'all know how much it is. Spot we gonna hit before we hit up H&M. I ain't even getting a lot of stuff at H&M. I just want to go get some pants to go with my Yeezys and the green checker pants and the red checker pants. So yeah. So we debating between this one and this one right here. We don't know which one we want. That one's 300 euro, so it's like 350. This one probably like 250 right here. Our couches is brown and black, so I was thinking like this granite black. It's like granite black, huh?
Yeah, grayish.
But this one right here, go with anything because it's white and black. I don't know. White,
that one
black.
Dirty. That one has rounded edges. That one is
Got sharp edges, huh?
and it'll get dirty when it's taller.
Yeah.
And it's low to the ground, so it she definitely won't be touching it.
Yeah, you're right. So I think we made our mind up. Cop this bad boy right here. But we're gonna move that more to the right. I wish I had just two regular these on the ground. Or two on the wall. It kind of looks, you can tell this is some overseas stuff.
You might be able to buy them separate.
It's chilly, chilly, chilly. All right, we finally at H&M. About to walk in here. Hopefully I can find some pants, like a couple of shirts, something like that. We gonna see. We got jeans on sale. Huh?
Talk loud.
I got jeans on sale for $10.99. I should cop a pair, huh?
Yeah, you should.
Size 31, 30, I probably need 34 in German shit. Yeah, no. It's grandpa jeans.
Boot cut.
Yeah, man. What's that, man? What I rock with it? And that's hard, huh?
You got a shirt like that, don't you?
I don't know. It's on sale. Man, it's not ashy. What are you talking about?
It look hella ashy on here.
Man, it's ashy at all. These don't go on my Yeezys.
Absolutely not, baby. Way off. It's off, but yeah. It's like that's like a muted highlighter. I like it.
But does it go with it though? Alright, as y'all seen in the video, I went to H&M and I copped a couple of pieces, or I kind of copped a lot. I went to that sales rack and I got a lot of shirts for like $2, $3, and just something to throw into the closet, throw into the wardrobe. So I got a couple of shirts, got a couple of hoodies I'm gonna show y'all right now. So let's get into it. So I got the wifeyest shirt in extra small right here, just a pink shirt. It says Venice Beach, and on the back got this dope little design. I got the same shirt, I believe, but check that out real quick. This is for the wifey. I think this is for the wife. No, this is mine right here. I don't know what shoes I'm gonna rock this with, but I got G's pawn shop right here, as you can see. And on the back, see, I got this for 99 cent euro, so it's probably like $1.10. And on the back, you got this little words back here. Don't even know what it says. Makes your dreams come kind of true today. G's pawn shop. So check that out. Then next we have this hoodie right here with just like kind of, I don't know what it is. I know it's a rose, but it's something on the top right of it, or yeah, top right. Got this little, the colors right here. I don't know what it is. And I got this one for $12.99. Got it on sale. Gotta hit them sales racks, man. Y'all wanna expand your wardrobe, go around like Christmas time and back to school time, you catch a lot of steals and deals, you feel me? Check that out. Got the rose little print on there, and it's just a gray little sweater. And then I copped another shirt. I don't even know when I'm rocking this shirt either. Just like I said, just some throw-on shirts. That's what I call them. Check it out. Got this like peach or coral, whatever color it is, and it says the endless summer. And at the bottom it says adventures, travel, and I don't say something to 2018. And on the back, nothing, just green. Got this one for $1.99. Check it out. Just something to throw in with some like a dope little outfit. Don't gotta be too fancy, just to throw on a shirt, throw a jacket over it, throw some nice kicks on. All right, next we have this shirt right here to go with the Yeezys. So here you have it. It's a SpongeBob SquarePants shirt, and I don't know what that says. Maybe in German, I don't know. But on the back, they got SpongeBob and Patrick right here. Check that out. And I was gonna rock this with the Yeezys, you feel me? Y'all stay tuned for that picture, man. Stay tuned for the lookbook. I'm gonna touch up on the lookbook at the end of the video, so y'all stay tuned. All right, and then we got black, kind of like a sheep material hoodie. Just something, I don't even know why I got it. I think it's just because it was cheap. I think I got it for like $10, I believe. Yeah, I got it for $10.99, man. So I was like, I gotta cop it, especially around this time of the year. It's snowing, it's raining, it's always cold. And it's like just a regular hoodie, but it got that wool sheep material on it. It got wool on the inside of the pockets too. And then I got one last shirt, this for the wifey. It got Jamaica, and then they got a little, I think it's a roll or tropic, whatever them trees is. What's the tree called? Y'all know what it's called. Fuck it. Check that out on the back. Got this one for like $4. Spent no more than $55 a day at H&M, which is kind of low, because last time I got probably the same amount of clothes and I spent like $150, you feel me? But it is what it is. All right, that is all the pickups from H&M. Before we get past that, I want to talk about these lookbooks that's coming soon, about to be integrated into the channel. So I hope y'all are ready for that. Just something to expand on the channel instead of doing straight sneakers. I want to get more into the fashion side of things, throw a couple fits together, show the subscribers, show the viewers what they want to see, give y'all some looks to where y'all can, you know what I'm saying, not copy, but to kind of see where I'm coming from with the fit and the style with the sneakers. So I'm gonna help y'all out, man. So if y'all ready for the lookbooks, comment down below, lookbooks 2019, man. Comment lookbooks 2019. All right, with the discussion I want to talk about, this is the title of the video, and I want to talk about which Yeezy was the best Yeezy release of 2018, the restock, I would say, because you know a couple other Yeezys did release, like the sesame joints, I think the butters, or you got the Moabs, you got the salts, the utility black 500s, all those. But the restock, I want to talk about the restock. Which one was y'all really happy for? I know both of these shoes was going for crazy amounts of resale value. This one right here, when it first released, I remember trying to get a pair of my size. It was a quick L. Y'all know how the Adidas original site was. You couldn't even get through on the site. That's how bad everybody wanted this shoe. And the resale was going for like $1,100 in my size. And I was like, I'm not going to cop it. I'm not gonna spend more than $500 on a pair of shoes, just me. So this one was much anticipated for me. When I heard about the restock, I was like, I gotta hit on this next restock, you feel me? So I know a lot of people was happy this one came out, but then you got the zebra things, man, which was re-released 3 times now. They had the first release, which is crazy, going for like 1,000 plus. They had the second release, that was going for like $500. And then you get this final release. Hopefully we don't see it for a while, and you get it for right around retail. So on StockX right now, you get this pair for around $270. With this pair right here, you can probably get around $280 in my size, which is size 9. So if y'all looking forward to that little resale value, I want to go cop y'all a pair before the prices jump back up, because y'all know it will happen. Hop on StockX right now, hop on GOAT, whichever one you trust. Me personally, I would go with StockX. They ain't sponsoring me, nothing like that, but I would hit up StockX and hurry up and grab the pairs for right around to retail, pay your shipping, and you had a pair in your collection. And also you have the cream whites, which I really want a pair of cream white V2s, so hopefully I get them eventually. But which Yeezy restock was the best? You got the zebras, you got the Yebras, or the semi-frozen yellows, and then you got the cream whites, man. So y'all let me know in the comment section below. Rank them from 1 to 3. Let me know which one is your best in the comment section below. Alright, you guys, that is it for the video. I know I was kind of everywhere in this video. I was at H&M, I was at furniture shopping, I was here talking about Yeezys. I hope y'all kind of enjoyed all those different aspects of pretty much my day. And like I said, lookbooks are coming. Maybe one coming this weekend. If not, just know like at least one every week will be dropping on this channel, just to integrate something new on this channel. Reactions will be coming soon as well, trying to expand everything we do over here, you feel me? So I hope y'all ready for this journey. Hope y'all ready for 2019, because it's gonna be a very dope year with sneakers, fashion, with everything, man. So I hope y'all ready. Let me know which Yeezy stock was the best. Make sure y'all take advantage of the giveaway of the Rookie of the Year ones, what me and my boy Jumpermankris are collabing with and doing. The rules will be in the description box below, so take advantage of that. Follow me on Instagram at DeVintage World, which is a part of giveaway rules, so you should already be following me. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.